Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorials IDO program. Now headline: Family values for transfer of wealth. The Economic Times ends without means. The Hindu Sambal in the perilous of judicial evasions. Kamakali Swaram Raj. Now headlines in detail. Family values for transfer of wealth. The Economic Time over regulation mission hamper HNI growth. Rules on the use of trust to transfer wealth and income. The non-resident family members must be read within the large context of capital control for individuals. Family trust serves as an efficient means for succession planning at when they come up against forces conversation limits regulatory intent must be upheld. The intent should however accommodate the rising trend of rich Indians surrounding citizenship who may have genuine claim on shift transfer of income and or wealth acquired in India. Transfer need to be timely and tax efficient for effective estates planning, and financial intermediaries must smoothen the process to the extent prohibited in law. Registrants is also required in the use of family trust, not becoming a means to circumvent control. Regulatory response is guided by abuse prevention, and it makes sense not to unduly stretch the role of family trust. Of course, capital control by dynamic and their restriction on succession planning are transcend. India has considerably liberalized remittance limits. Further easing is a matter of time. The issue confronting members of business families recognize Indian citizenships could avert is if macro conditions allow financial regulators more elbow room over merits of individual cases. India has a record of converted financial regulation that provides a reasonable tolerance band ends without means. The Hindu. While the goals of UGC reforms are clear, they need to be backed by research. The draft UGC minimum standard of instruction for the grade of undergraduate degree and postgraduate degree regulations to 2024 propose significant change to India's higher education landscape. These include biannual admissions to undergraduate and postgraduate course, enabling a student from any stream to pursue any discipline in UG and PG if they pass and prevent national qualify examination. The allowing for the acceptance for acceleration of course, student can pursue multiple degrees simultaneously. Higher educational institutions will have the autonomy to determine student attendance requirements according to the UGC chairman Mr. Jagdish Kumar. These changes will remove rigidity, ensuring that global standards are met. While the intent is laudable, one provision further countryized examinations as a qualifying criterion which may limit flexibility. The draft rules align with the National Education Policy (NEP) 2020, which emphasizes hybrid learning models and skill-based education. The draft rules also support to implement of the National Credit Framework, providing students greater academic flexibility. Sambal and the perils of judicial evasions. The court order shows once again a reluctance to adjudicate the core issue. Though there ought to have been an assertive stand on the validity of the Places of Worship Special Provision Act. Kamleswaram Raj is a lawyer at the Supreme Court of India. In a paper in 2005 on judicial inactivities, scholar Chad Mr. Oldfather talks about court and their duty to decide to adjustive duty. He explained how judicial intents occurred when consequences that are every bit as significant as those resulting from judicial action. According to him, judicial followers to meet the minimum requirements of the role are likely to be more difficult to detect than action going beyond its proper limits. Then and therefore judicial incativism is in a way more barbarism. More Borism. During a Sambal case hearing, the Supreme Court was alerted about the orchard political move to breach Parliament's law in different parts of the country. The petitioner had stated that several civil suits are pending in different trial courts, challenging the original two different mosques which are impressible. Thus, the top court had an opportunity to decide on the validity of the act or to ad- adjudicate the matter finally along with the Sambal case retrieved. It only needed to iterate, but the larger bench judgment in the Ayodhya case said about the Place to Worship Act. This required an element of judicial bill. The special bench hearing on the validity of the act offers another opportunity for the court to correct its own mistakes. Thank you.